Yeah. So, man, this girl here is the dog lover. We'll see. Can I say fucker? Yeah, I think I can. It's my shit. Mississippi woman, 19, is arrested over video showing her having sexual intercourse with a dog. Dennis Frazier, 19, was caught on a video that had spread around via Snapchat. A local resident alerted the authorities, which led to Frazier's arrest. If convicted, she could face up to 10 years in prison for unnatural intercourse. Ain't that crazy, y'all? Don't get much worse than that. A concerned resident flagged the video from February to local authorities, and she was eventually arrested on aggravated cruelty charges. In my 17 years in law enforcement, this is one of the most disturbing cases that I've ever investigated, said Sergeant J.D. Carter of the Jones County Sheriff's Department. JCSD is in possession of several videos that are so graphic that we are not at liberty to release them or even discuss the particular content, he added. Oh my God. The investigation into this case is far from over. Wow. I guess it is. Frazier did admit that it was her engaging in sexual intercourse with an animal on the video. It has been claimed, although DailyMail.com has yet to verify this admission. Carter says that Frazier's alibi was that she was forced into committing the heinous acts, but says there's no evidence of that, though they are investigating. She allegedly told police she was threatened to do it. And also, I think this is the part that's true. The other part is the lie. Grain of truth. This is the grain of truth. People pay her for the videos, according to the Laura Leader call. We've never dealt with this particular type of case before, Carter said. There are really no true words to describe it other than disgusting. So, right now, we're still in that initial phase, right past the first part of it. Right past the first part of it. But we're still going to look into it to see if there's more. He said there may be more videos filmed in other counties. They have alerted nearby sheriff department. The dogs were seized from the residence. She was arrested at and taken to a local animal hospital. One of the dogs is a German Shepherd that Frazier referred to as a service dog. She made her first appearance in court Thursday and had her bond set at $25,000. The woman has also been ordered by a judge to stay away from animals until after her trial, according to WDAM. A human being is a danger to animals. Wow. While animal cruelty in Mississippi is penalized with up to 6 months in prison and a fine, unnatural intercourse could see Frazier jail for up to 10 years. Man. You can't make this shit up. Well, I'm going to make that be one story, and we'll check out the rest another time. I'm out.